Did you know the right soil mix can make your plants grow as fast as a sprinter in a 100-meter race? That's right! The foundation of any successful garden starts with the soil, and today, we're counting down the top 7 best soil mixes for your home garden. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener, these mixes will supercharge your plant's growth. Stick around until the end because number 1 will blow your mind. Hey there gardeners, welcome back to the Grow channel where we dig deep, literally, into everything you need to create the garden of your dreams. Today we're talking about soil mixes, the secret ingredient for thriving plants. Just like athletes need the right nutrition, your plants need the perfect balance of nutrients, texture, and moisture to grow strong and healthy. But here's the catch, not all soil is created equal. Using the wrong mix can stunt your plants' growth, turn them yellow, or even kill them. Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll rank the 7 best soil mixes for your garden, explaining what makes each one a powerhouse for growth. Let's jump into it. Number 7. Pure Compost, the Power Protein Shake. Imagine feeding your plants the most nutrient-dense smoothie packed with everything they need to grow. That's what Pure Compost does. It's rich in organic matter, nutrients, and beneficial microbes. But here's the downside. Compost alone can be too dense for certain plants, especially those that need good drainage. Mix it with other materials for optimal results. Number 6. Coco Coir Mix, the lightweight champion. Coco Coir, made from coconut husks, is like a gymnast, light, flexible, and full of endurance. It holds water like a sponge while allowing air to flow freely around your plant roots. Combine Coco Coir with compost and perlite for a balanced mix that's perfect for vegetables and herbs. Bonus, it's eco-friendly and sustainable. Number 5. Peat-Based Mix, the Marathon Runner. Peat moss is like a long-distance runner. It slowly and steadily provides moisture to your plants. This mix is ideal for retaining water while keeping the soil slightly acidic, which is great for crops like tomatoes and blueberries. Be mindful of sustainability. Peat takes centuries to form, so use it sparingly or opt for alternatives like Coco Coir. Number 4. Sandy Loam Mix, the Sprinter. Sandy loam is the Usain Bolt of soil mixes. It drains water quickly, preventing root rot and giving plants the perfect environment to grow fast. This mix is ideal for root vegetables like carrots and potatoes, which thrive in loose, well-draining soil. Combine sand, silt, and clay with organic matter for the best results. Number 3. Potting Mix, the All-Star Athlete. Potting mix is the all-rounder of the garden world. It's like an athlete who excels in every event. Lightweight, nutrient-rich, and well-draining. Pre-packaged potting mixes are great for container gardening, ensuring your plants get the perfect balance of nutrients and aeration. Look for one with added perlite or vermiculite for extra drainage. Number 2. Vermicompost Mix, the Muscle Builder. Ever heard of worm castings? They're like protein powder for your plants. Vermicompost is created by worms that break down organic matter, resulting in a nutrient-dense mix. This soil is a powerhouse, improving plant growth, resistance to pests, and overall health. Mix it with regular soil or compost for maximum effectiveness. Number 1. DIY Super Mix, the Olympian. And here it is, the ultimate soil mix for your garden. This DIY blend combines the best of all worlds. 1 part compost for nutrients, 1 part Coco Coir or peat moss for moisture retention, and 1 part perlite or sand for drainage and aeration. This mix works for nearly every plant from leafy greens to flowering vegetables. It's like the Michael Phelps of soil mixes, unstoppable. The right soil mix is the foundation of your garden's success. It's what allows your plants to grow faster, produce more, and resist diseases. Think of it like this. Would you run a marathon without the proper shoes? Of course not. Your soil is your garden's foundation, so give it the best. So now you know the top 7 best soil mixes for your home garden. Which one are you excited to try? Do you already have a favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget, every plant deserves the perfect start. Experiment with these mixes, and you'll see a dramatic improvement in your garden's growth. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and share it with fellow gardeners. Subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next video. 5 secret fertilizers to boost your garden growth you won't believe. Number 3. Thank you for watching, and remember, don't forget to subscribe to the Grow channel. See you next time.